Hi, my name is Annalise and I'm a metrologist at the Measurement and Calibration Centre. I've been here for just over 3 years now and have a Bachelor of Science degree from the University of Auckland. I graduated back in 2017 and have had science-based roles ever since. Admittedly, I didn't know much about metrology, but it really intrigued me. I knew someone in the business already who has an engineering background that described the role to me as best she knew it. It's quite a niche science, but it's extremely important to everyday life. Everything you do in life is related to metrology. How do you know the shoes you're buying are the correct size? The MCC was looking for someone who wanted a career, and that's exactly what I've found here. There's lots of different areas in metrology, but at MCC we specialise in dimensional and force calibration. I'm responsible for calibrating measuring equipment for customers that require accurate measuring tools. Within the dimensional area, we can calibrate anything from steel rules and calipers to measuring wheels that measure lengths of fabrics in factories. We pretty much make sure measuring equipment is measuring correctly and provide our customers with quality assurance. We're also able to perform dimensional measurements for customers that require more information about the products they've manufactured. The MCC has even mapped out the dimensions of an America's Cup yacht, which ties into a lot of the confidential work we also do in the healthcare and aviation sector. In the short time that I've been working here, I've learned how to calibrate a wide range of equipment from our scope. I've developed not only technical skills while working here, but I'm now moving into people management and financial training too. One of the huge highlights of working in this industry means there's opportunities to travel and learn from industry leaders. I was lucky enough to travel to America to attend a Mitutoyo educational seminar in Chicago back in 2019, which was extremely helpful as I was breaking into the industry. Here I was able to learn from industry leaders about correct measuring techniques and the calibration of small measuring equipment. Overall, working within the metrology industry and for the Measurement and Calibration Centre has allowed me to have that career stability I've always wanted. I'm so grateful for the MSA developing this award and recognising metrology careers. I've really enjoyed being a part of the industry and I can't wait to see what the future holds for me here.
Ki te taho o tōku papa, here hau no te arawa, no te atiawa, me Ngāti Kahungunu ki Wairarapa. Ki te taho tōku mama, here hau no ngai tūhoi, no Ngāti Porou hoki. Ko Shire Parikura Tirimuana Taipa tōku ingoa. Kia ora, my name is Shire Taipa and I'm a metrologist at RF Test Solutions. I didn't know much about metrology or what it was RF Test Solution does, so I knocked on their door and asked exactly that, what it is they do here. Now I'm in my 4th year of employment here. At Hukarere Māori Girls College, I was fortunate enough to be introduced to electronics by my ICT teacher, Dr. Michael Peterson. It was he that entered a team of young Māori females into a national robotics competition. And through this experience of designing, building and coding a robot, I found my passion for this field. Previously I worked as an outreach coordinator where we created interactive STEM-related projects drawn from our Māori and Pacific cultures. I have the desire to continue with this mahi through my startup business Fusion 3 to help inspire the next generation into the likes of electronics and metrology. RF Test Solutions sells electronic test and measurement equipment and operates a fully commercial electrical and RF ISO 17025 calibration lab in Aotearoa, New Zealand. As a metrologist here, I calibrate a vast variety of electrical measurement instruments with capability from DC to light and repair these instruments to a component level. Since I've started at RF Test Solutions, I've developed many technical skills calibrating fibre optic instruments, multimeters, speed devices and measurement radiated emissions, just to name a few. This year I plan to train more in high frequency RF calibrations. This is to cover the full range of our scope of accreditation. I will also continue with other business practices such as Six Sigma, 5S and leadership courses with the help of Te Puni Kōkiri Ministry of Māori Development. I'm so grateful to the MSA for developing this award and recognising metrology careers. I've really enjoyed being a part of this industry and I look forward to the future. E hara taku toa I te toa takitahi, engari he toa takitini. Success is not the work of an individual, but the work of many. Ngā mihi.